Clinical research operates in a high-stakes environment. The burden of maintaining good clinical practice, or GCP, is not just a box-checking exercise. It's essential to patient safety, trial integrity, and regulatory success. Yet, across the industry, we hear the same challenges. Teams spend hours searching SOPs or emailing colleagues just to clarify a basic protocol. Training is generic and hard to retain, especially under pressure, and documentation often becomes a scramble just before inspections. That's where the GCP AI Advisor steps in. It's not just a chatbot or e-learning tool, it's an intelligent compliance companion, available on demand, tailored to clinical research. Let's start with one of its most popular features. Chat with GCP AI Advisor. This feature lets your teams ask natural language questions about ICH GCP and receive precise, regulation-aligned answers instantly. So instead of wondering, what's the proper way to handle a protocol deviation, or what training is required for a sub-investigator, you just ask and get an answer backed by ICH GCP E6 R2 and R3 references. One QA manager at an oncology CRO told us, "It's like having a GCP trainer on standby. We're getting consistent answers instantly." It's a game changer for training, onboarding, and daily operations alike. Next, we move to Talk with GCP AI Advisor, a voice-enabled feature for hands-free compliance support. You simply speak to it, like you would to a colleague. This is especially helpful for investigators and coordinators during site visits, staff briefings, or even while documenting case notes. A clinical operations lead at a global sponsor told us, "Our team uses it like a voice-enabled SOP. It's intuitive, it's fast, and it's there when we need it. It reduces decision-making hesitation and ensures that guidance is always consistent, always aligned." Now let's talk about automation where it's needed most. Document analysis. Upload your protocols, monitoring visit reports, or training logs, and within seconds, the AI flags compliance gaps, missing fields, and potential risk areas. It's more than keyword scanning. It understands structure, context, and regulatory logic. One trial compliance officer shared, "We found missing documentation in 30% of our TMF files before an inspection, just by using this." This feature alone saves hours of manual review, and more importantly, it helps prevent avoidable audit findings. Visibility drives accountability. That's why the compliance dashboard gives you a clear, real-time view of your compliance health across sites, studies, or departments. Whether you're a sponsor monitoring CROs or a site preparing for inspection, this dashboard surfaces document completion rates, training progress by team or role, risk trends, and overall readiness scores. A biotech client summed it up perfectly. "We stopped reacting to compliance gaps. Now we monitor everything proactively, every week." It transforms compliance from an annual event to a daily habit. What's the proper way to handle a protocol deviation, or what training is required for a sub-investigator? You just ask and get an answer backed by ICH GCP E6 R2 and R3 references. One QA manager at an oncology CRO told us, "It's like having a GCP trainer on standby. We're getting consistent answers instantly. It's a game changer for training, onboarding, and daily operations alike." When it comes to compliance training, one size doesn't fit all, especially with the evolving ICH GCP guidelines. That's why our AI-powered ICH GCP E6 R3 training delivers an adaptive, personalized experience based on your role and level of expertise. Whether you're a sponsor, CRA, investigator, or site coordinator, the training adjusts in real time. So you learn faster, retain more, and stay aligned with both E6 R2 and the latest E6 R3 updates. The best part? You'll receive a GCP certificate upon completion, fully compliant with FDA, EMA, and 21 CFR Part 11 standards. This isn't just another online course. It's compliance training built for real-world performance. Train smarter, certify faster, be audit-ready. Across our partner organizations, we're seeing meaningful outcomes. 50% faster learning completion, 60% improvement in training retention, reduced deviation reporting errors, more confident, prepared clinical teams, and most importantly, these results translate into safer trials, fewer inspection findings, and a stronger reputation with regulators. The ICH GCP AI Advisor isn't just a tool, it's a shift in how clinical research teams think about compliance. It enables on-demand knowledge, seamless document analysis, and role-specific insights, all backed by AI that understands the rigor of regulated trials. If you're leading a clinical team, overseeing CROs, or preparing your site for inspections, the GCP AI Advisor can help you move faster, with fewer mistakes and far greater confidence. To see it in action, visit us at gcpaiadvisor.com or request a live demo. Thanks for listening, and thank you for your work advancing safe, effective, and ethical clinical trials.